Richard.
Hi, George.
Hey.
Yeah, how are you, George?
Just fine. So,
how am I going to torture you today, George?
yeah, I have all the questions.
Okay.
I have all the questions.
I'm torturing you in 2 different ways.
Yes, I know. I noticed.
I
Yeah,
know.
you told me, and this is why I'm like...
this is going to be a quick Oreo, fun with Oreo cookies. What's that commercial? Who's that kid with the Oreo cookie?
Oh.
That's going to be you, George.
Oh, damn.
You're going to be that kid with the Oreo cookie.
Yeah, I mean, I'm the one that gets to taste this stuff at the end, and so I'm so excited about this. So excited about this.
Double stuff, George. Double stuff. Okay, I saw a recipe online where they wrapped bacon around Oreo and then smoked it. So we're going to try it. I'm going to try it too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you really?
Well, I'm going to let you do one. I'm going to pretend I'm trying it. And then if you don't throw up, I might try it.
I'm the beef eater. And now
Right.
pork eater, I guess. I don't know.
All right.
All right, so, yeah. Okay.
So let's do this. Oh, and the other one is supposedly if you put Cheese Whiz on Oreo, it's supposed to taste like cheesecake. So we're going to try that too.
I'm so excited about
Fun with Oreos.
So excited. I'm going to let you torture me on your own, and then I'll come in for the fun.
All right.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, I probably should wear gloves. You're going to have to hand me Oreo cookies. I think I can get 3 out of this. That means Charlie could try it too.
Oh, hell no.
God, Charlie. Why
Ozzy's going to try it.
Why so weak?
Ozzy wants to try.
I don't even eat the cookie, much less wrapped in bacon and war pig.
It's not a bad thing.
There's just something so wrong about what I'm watching right now.
It's wrong in the right way. We're getting to.
Yep.
You know, if it wasn't for people experimenting, how would people know that you get stoned from mushrooms? Right, Mike? Right?
He thought you could go pull a mushroom out of a cow patty and eat it.
And you're thinking this is disgusting? This is just things I heard rumors of. Not that I know. Drug testing agents.
That probably was the worst tasting thing I've ever had in my life.
Right. George, since you know how to use my phone,
Okay.
let's go stick this in the smoker.
Dude,
This is going to be a smoke for 20 minutes.
this is crazy. Look at that. Wrong button. All right, there we go. Oh, see how this works.
Please put it underneath those.
Yeah, we get a little bit dripping. A little dripping.
All right.
Oh, man. Right.
Right. Charlie, you gonna try it?
Oh, hell no.
My man,
You can torture George all you want.
I'm torturing
does.
I'm
He
torturing
does.
myself too.
All right, then.
I'm not asking you to do anything I'm not going to do, George. All right, then.
I still have to cook, so if you guys are over on the side puking, I can still cook my stuff.
Good job, Dom.
All right, show them what you got. Show them what you got.
I got the Simply Cheesy.
American cheese.
Yeah.
Simply cheese.
This is
Real cheese.
It's, you know, if you get the actual Cheese Whiz brand,
Yeah.
it's like $3 more. It's the same size, same everything. Like, so screw that.
It says it's real cheese.
Yeah.
Real American cheese.
It could be.
But is American cheese really cheese?
Depends.
Someone's going to argue in the comments below.
It's made from synthetic cows.
All right, so what do we have here?
All right, hold on. I'm gonna go down.
Are you?
So they
You going to go down on
You
that?
going down?
You going down? It's just going down.
Going down.
All right. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. We're in view. Okay. We got some view over here too, right? Right. We got
Yes, we
nostril cam over here.
Yes, we do.
All right. Good.
Yeah, here we go.
All right.
This is gonna be
Oh,
just like cheesecake.
It's gonna be just like cheese. Oh.
There we go.
Oh. God.
Talk dirty to me, George.
There's just something so wrong about this.
What's the ratio of cheese to Oreo?
I know. We don't even know.
I've
And it's
got
the double stuff.
No clue.
Maybe it's supposed to be better if it's double stuffed. I mean, you get a little bit more sugar content. Is that enough cheese to change it?
I don't know that it is.
Right?
I'm not sure.
Hey, you had
Go, 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 go,
you
go.
had-
Go, go, go. Go with the cheese, dude. You might as well just go with the cheese.
If you're
There you
gonna-
go. There you go. All
If
right.
you're
there
gonna
you
go, baby.
Now we're talking.
All right.
Oh, that's it.
Yes.
You get a little minuscule.
Yeah, because I'm not stupid as
Hold
you.
So
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Where's the?
All right.
Oh, we got to get it. we had to take a bite at the same time.
That's right. All right.
Yeah.
So
Where's
let's lift
the-
them up.
Where's yours? There we go. Oh my goodness.
You know, if we're the paparazzis, we're like two girls in one cup.
This must be.
Are you ready?
Cheers.
Yeah,
do it.
cheers.
Not terrible.
Yeah.
Not terrible, but it's not the best thing.
Jordan.
I mean, no. There's an essence of cheesecake in there. There is.
It's really not.
That's
that
weird.
bad.
That's actually not bad. Here, well, a little bit more on that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, left.
You're going in for more?
Here we go. Here we go. No, yeah, you actually, no, seriously. There's a little bit of a cheesecake flavor to that when you put it all together, but it's the sugar, right, and the cheese,
cheese.
and yeah, I mean, what is cheesecake?
It's a dairy product.
It's like a chocolate cheesecake.
I mean, I'd eat another one.
That wasn't bad. I have to tell you, I was like, that wasn't bad.
Out on?
That's the most surprising thing that I've heard all day.
That wasn't bad. But I mean, you're talking to the guy 15 years ago made a fudge out of Velveeta, a whole thing of Velveeta.
I think lots of people did it. Just did it differently. They ate the Velveeta first.
Yeah, in a Velveeta coma, and then thought everything else.
And
was.
then it became fudge.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Hey, try it. I mean, I don't know what to say except that.
See?
it'll work.
All right, come on, Mr. Easy Peasy.
All right, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get these things in. Right there. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and look at the progress over here.
Yeah, look at that.
They're getting there. Getting there.
Except that's a totally different video.
It is a completely different video, but hey, I'm ready. You ready?
All right, let's do
Hey,
this.
Are you ready?
Hey, it's
Just saying.
like a festival food.
Yeah, it is. And it was smoked.
Yeah, mine's bigger, George. Mine's bigger. Oh shit! Yours got huge.
All right. I'm brave. I'm brave.
Okay, countdown.
All right. Three.
Three. What? Countdown. Three.
Count down.
Okay, three.
Three. Three. Two. One.
Uh-oh.
What happened to you? Not the worst thing I put in my mouth. Oh, no. I'll leave that there.
My face is all red. I can see it. That's very funny as hell. All right. I hope that stayed it.
Oh,
All right. Okay. So yeah. Damn.
So anyway,
Keep them confused.
so this is a fail.
I'm gonna say no. It's not a fail. It's just more convenient
Not a.
if you want to eat chocolate and an Oreo and a piece of bacon.
If I'm
together.
throwing a party and I'm putting out appetizers, this is not one of them.
That's where I'm with you.
Okay.
That's where I'm with you.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Right.
just cook the damn food. Just not this one.
But not that one.
So, see, now this smoked bacon one's going to be good too. As soon as that thing's ready, George, I would not lead you wrong,
It's
George.
gotta be better.
Got to be better. Okay. Yeah. All right.
We'll
It's
put
gonna
some
be-
cheese whiz on it.
Yeah, we fix it. We can fix it.
Not the worst thing I put in my mouth. Look at me. I'm like Martha Stewart. I'm culturing you.
Oh, good Lord.
Except I have a better body.